We're going deep into the largest turkey processing plant in America. Let's find out how it all works. This is the heart of Thanksgiving. More than 9 billion turkeys are produced every year, just to satisfy the American people's demand for turkey appetite. Can you believe that? But what secrets are hidden in these factories? How do they respond to such an amazing demand? Hurry up and light up the like button. Our turkey factory adventure starts now. Turkeys are large birds of the genus Meleagris, native to North America. There are two kinds of turkeys in existence. They are wild turkey and ocellated turkey. Both species are consumed by humans. Though only the wild turkey is widely domesticated, the indigenous people of Mexico first began to domesticate them. Dating back at least 800 BC, around 1519, turkey is exported to Europe for the first time. Via Spain, once in Europe, it was quickly favored by the aristocracy. Compared to wild turkeys, young turkey is artificially selected. The goal is to make them grow bigger, in order to obtain more poultry meat in modern American Thanksgiving celebrations. Dude is an absolute very small, and on such festive occasions as Christmas, people also used to enjoy birds. Modern hatchery. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Create the perfect environment for egg hatching. Now it's time to hatch. Little turkey chicks will break out of their shells. The staff will carefully inspect each chick. Pick only the most energetic ones. The strongest pullets raise them to maturity. These pullets are fed a specialized protein-rich diet, filled with protein and minerals. Soon they will be moved to a spacious area. They're free to move around. Harvest time has come. Each bird then passes through the automated processing line, gently gathered. This can minimize their emergency response. After that, it was carefully put into a special cage, shipping to the processing plant. But don't think their journey ends here. And this is just the beginning of an amazing journey. After the truck arrives, the processing process is officially started. Each bird is efficiently transferred from the cage on the conveyor belt. Then it is hung upside down on the automation hook. The first step in processing in a humane and efficient, genetic way you use electricity. Either use carbon dioxide gas, ensuring the bird is rendered unconscious quickly. Next, automated precision. Blades will quickly cut off major blood vessels. Make sure the blood can be fully drained. This step is crucial. It is the key to ensuring the quality and safety of the product. The carcass will then be immersed in hot water, for scalding soften the epidermis. Then comes the hair removal stage. Rotating rubber finger cots can be used in seconds. Efficiently remove most feathers. Immediately after, the cutting system will remove remaining pin feathers and trim the carcass. Now entering the cleaning stage. Sounds easy, right? But it's not. Automated machines will meticulously remove internal organs. At the same time, sharp-eyed workers check every corner, troubleshoot any possible problems. But don't worry, there are more detailed steps. Those high-quality turkeys. Dried turkey and turkey heart. It's individually packaged, used to make delicious dishes. Evisceration, removing the internal organs, will be done with an automatic washer. Final inspection and clearance, and the robotic sprayer then rinses the carcass. Gently rinse the carcass. Wait until the carcass is thoroughly cleaned, inside and out, inside and out. And we're almost ready for the cooling phase. The temperature of these large cooling tanks approaches freezing point. They are the real key players. The carcass is rapidly chilled to below 4 degrees, and this is crucial. Skill locks freshness. It also prevents the growth of bacteria. Segmental and caudate muscles will be responsible for the final trimming and inspection. Now comes the finishing touches. All the guys who meet the weight standard will be picked out for the whole package. First, high-tech equipment weighs each carcass accurately, then perform a professional vacuum seal. After that, on each package, carefully labeled with key information, such as weight, production date, and shelf life. Except for the whole turkey. This factory also produces a variety of turkey products, including pre-cut turkey portions. Generally speaking, turkey wings will be the first, the part isolated from the turkey's body. After the wings are processed, the body of the turkey will be cut in half, so workers and machines easier to separate the various parts. Lo and behold, this is my favorite turkey leg. They're separated by a sharp cutter and remove excess meat, and we end up with the perfect turkey thigh. Behind this, here's another remarkable environmental story. Processing requires substantial water, especially in the cleaning and cooling process. But the industry is also constantly improving. Nowadays, it is equipped with an advanced wastewater treatment system. Both reduce water consumption, recycle precious water process. Turkey products will be distributed to supermarkets across the country for Thanksgiving this year and the dinner tables of thousands of households. And throughout the processing process, workers will strictly abide by food, safety and hygiene regulations, from wearing protective gear Sterilize tools after each shift. Are meticulous. The bird will also undergo a comprehensive quality check. They go through automated systems, detect any abnormalities or potential health problems. Those are the freshest. Top-grade product will be loaded into large trucks, delivered to the supermarket near you. In transit, the temperature will be controlled throughout the process. Ensure the product remains in top condition.
With the development of modern cooking techniques, turkey can be processed into a variety of dishes. The turkey's journey is not just about human ingenuity. It also reflects our commitment to sustainable development. This is just food production, the tip of the iceberg in a wonderful world. Curious about how more things are made? Let's explore more exciting content together.